Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to delete Bet365 account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you'd like to delete your Bet365 account, then here's how you can easily do it. Open up a web browser or your Bet365 mobile application. Into the URL box, type in www.bet365.com and press enter on a keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up on the official web page of Bet365. Make sure you log into your account by clicking on the login button at the top right and enter your username and password in the respective text boxes. Click the login button after you are done and you'll be logged into your Bet365 account. From the main homepage, click on the profile icon at the top right and in the options, select My Activity option in the pop-up. Under Gambling Controls, select Account Closure and go through the information first. Remember that once you decide to close your account and proceed, you will no longer be able to deposit funds or play in any of the product from Bet365. If you wish to reopen your account during the period, you'll need to answer the additional security questions to safeguard your account. Under Closure Period, you can go ahead and select the duration or the time period you'd like the account to be closed. Select from the drop-down and you can choose between 1 week, 1 month, 3 months period to indefinitely whenever you want to turn it back again, or you can choose indefinitely so that you can reopen your account whenever you want. You can also choose the until option and select a date that you'd like your account to reactivate on and select your main reason why you are trying to delete your account. Finally, click the continue button and enter your password for your Bet365 account in the password text box. After you type in the correct password, click the continue button and your account closure request has been processed. You'll now be logged out of your Bet365 account, and that is how you can easily delete your Bet365 account if you no longer want to use it. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.